YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to lock the time zone in the calendar app for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. This will work for the S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to lock the time zone if you're traveling in your calendar app, thankfully, it's pretty easy to do so on your S25 device. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for apps, and then from there you want to hit apps. Then you want to find your calendar app in the app list, and then you want to hit calendar settings. And then from there, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to lock time zone, and then you can select which time zone you want to lock your calendar app to. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to lock time zones for the calendar app on the S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.